What's up, guys? Good morning. We got this Charger in, white body. We're gonna be doing some headers on it. So it's gonna be a little install video, but I'm gonna do little clips. I'm not gonna show the whole install. But basically, we already got it up in jack stands. We already got all the tools that we need. We take off the intake. We actually have the pickup tube, not the pickup tube, the dipstick. We got this Coyote in. It's a 66 Mustang, I believe, with a Gen 1 Coyote, but it had 10 quarts of oil inside, so we gotta see what we could do about it, because these take 8 quarts, as you guys know. I did find metal shavings, though, so I'm gonna tear apart the engine on this one. But anyways, this video's for this one. So we got the long tube headers from BBK Racing, or BBK Performance. We got the connection pipes. I believe it came with all the hardware, I believe. So let's get this installed. It's pretty hot already as it is. So if you can, drop a like, comment, and subscribe. So when you guys order these parts, always make sure you guys get the bolts and the hardware, extra gaskets. All right, so everything's here for this kit. Hey, real quick, you guys need an LS? We got one for sale. Tap in. Need that shit gone. So we got both stock headers out and the cats. We got the new hardware. Got the headers ready to come on. Then we got the connection pipes, the harness. Got done with the headers. Shit loud. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this episode of Locos Garage. The car runs good. Drove around the block. Got some power to it. Sounds pretty good. It looks pretty good. I love the white bodies. Alright guys, right now we're test driving it. It has a check engine light because the rear O2s are they need the connections. But so far so good. Driving pretty good. No misfires or nothing. But once we get the rear O2s extensions, we'll be good, because you can get a tune, and yeah, check engine light will go away. It'll be solid. Feels pretty good. And it sounds pretty good. I'll upload a little clip right now, or if I haven't. I'm just test driving and checking it, right? Check for exhaustivity to make sure everything's perfect, and that's it. So don't forget, drop a comment, like, and subscribe. Catch you guys later. Peace.